Hey there. Today I got a little surprise for you. I know you've probably seen this Vigilant fishing kit phase 2 on other videos, and they've probably talked about throwing it in a bug out bag or a prepper's bag or something and leaving it at that. But I think I got another reason why you should pick this thing up. And I'll go through it today and I'll show you why I think it's the best survival fishing kit out there. Let you make the decision yourself. And then stay tuned till the end of the video, and I got a surprise giveaway for you. What is this? Now what am I going to do? Wait, I got an idea. Now, as you can see, I think the trick to it is rolling out enough for you to cast, pulling it back, give it a little whip, toss it out there, start reeling it back in by hand, pulling it down lightly, good motion, raise it up higher if you need to, stay closer to the surface of the water, let it drop if you need to. You may have to unravel a little bit more, get a little more distance. Again, just try to make sure you don't get yourself all tangled up. See, I got it set up with a little swirly tail, a couple small split shots just to add some weight on here. Okay, now this little fishing kit right here is the Vigilant Trails Phase 2 Survival Fishing Kit. Now you can throw this in a bug out bag, throw it in your glove box, even fit it in your front pocket if you need. It can be used as a survival fishing kit, yes. But like I showed in my video, I think it could be used for an everyday use, or you're driving along, you see a lake, a pond, a stream. It's a tight area trying to get down into. This is the kit for you. You don't have your fishing pole, or as you've seen in my video, mine was broken. This is the fishing kit for you. Throw it in your tackle box and you're good to go. Very, very good product. Definitely a lot of good uses. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. First off, as soon as you open the package, you get one of the little Vigilant Trails stickers. I mean, really, who doesn't like stickers? You can put it on your tackle box, on the fishing kit itself, your bug out bag, your car, whatever. Next, we have the 2 hand reels, and I believe one of them is at 100 feet of 10-pound test, and the other is 50 feet of 20-pound test monofilament line. Next, we have a stringer, good for whatever you catch with this kit. Next, we have a small bobber, green, neon, bright, easy to see. We got a package of different worms and different lures, easy to set up. Next, we have different attachments so that you can string the line for walleye and so on. We got some split shots, some lead weights. I prefer to use the smaller split shots. Next, we have various hooks. They're minimal, but they'll do in a pinch. You got your little pocket knife, you know, mainly for just cutting line, anything like that. And that's the basis of this kit, other than you have a little instruction pamphlet, got pictures on there, give you diagrams and so on, tell you what's in the kit, which is nice to have. So, as I explained earlier, with this video, I got a little surprise giveaway. And that surprise is this Vigilant Trails Survival Snare Kit Stage 1. Now, I'm not going to give you any details about this kit other than it's a small snare kit. You can use it for whatever, throw it in your bug out bag, your glove box, anything like that. But to get this free gift, what you have to do is like the video. We're going to try to get this video to 100 likes. Leave in the comments that you've subscribed to myself on Twitter and Vigilant Trails on Twitter, and I'll leave the links in the description below. Once you've done that and I see that this video has got 100 likes, I'll select one person randomly to give this gift to. So let's get out there, like, subscribe to us on Twitter, and get yourself a free snare kit.